Okay, so continuing with the testing and validation rules. So obviously in the other question you was concentrating on normal data. So you should know that when it comes to testing validations, it should be looking at normal, extreme, and abnormal data. So the problem is at the moment it says improvements may need to be made if the results of the testing show that the validation rules still allow invalid data to be input. Describe 3 such improvements. Now, for this question, you would be looking back at the scenario and seeing what data would not be accepted, okay? And what data is on the boundaries and should be accepted. So here you're going to look at extreme and abnormal data. So looking at the 3 validation rules that you may have described, you could look at improvements. So what happens if you was to put in the data of the bill to be 16001? Obviously it shouldn't be accepted because that data is actually outside of the boundaries. So that would be abnormal data. And as I described in the scenario earlier, when I said that if the customer ID's number is MEG001, well, that wouldn't be accepted because for a start, there's abnormal data in there too, because there's letters. And obviously the numbers are below the accepted number of digits, okay? And then obviously for the last test, you should be probably, or the first test, whatever, one of the tests, you should be describing extreme data, okay?